Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is city creation. City creation. Basically, we are discussing one of the topic that is future creation. In this, basically, we are discussing about the India account and India account. In that India account, basically, we are discussing SBI account, Amazon account, and after 2 days, basically, the big earthquake is going to happen to India. Basically, so that is the topic. In this, one of the person basically asked the question, Sunil, you basically got the job basically. Then Sunil Arnai told that no, basically I have not. So company basically is handled by the Dubai Group basically. So Dubai Group is handling the company, and they are telling that basically we have passed everything to India basically. An Indian company basically, whenever you are asking everything to India company, they basically are telling that basically we have passed everything to consultant. And basically when you are asking everything to consultant, they are telling that basically we have passed everything to Naukri.com, Monster.com, Times of India, this all group basically. And when we will ask these people basically, they will say that basically the recruiter basically are not able to view your resume basically. And if you will see the, if you will purchase the resume service basically, then they will say that basically the recruiter basically not able to see your resume basically. And when we will purchase the, you will purchase the package of the display, that is the resume display service. Then they will say basically, sorry, basically we can't force client to basically see your resume and basically give you the interview calls. So one of the person told that what is the solution of basically this? If you will say this everything to nuclear power company, energy company, and power company, they will say that finish the everything basically, finish everything and recreate everything. But it's India basically. How you can finish everything and recreate everything? Entire India, which is created by Nehru Khandan, which is created by BJP. How basically you can finish entire India and recreate entire India basically. So that is not possible basically. So one person told that is possible basically. That is possible. So just a minute. Okay? So one person told that is possible basically. Then one other person told that how basically that is possible here. How that is possible basically? Because there are crores of investment basically in earth planet. Banks have basically done crores of investment. If you will do anything, if this video basically anybody will watch, they will basically kill you. That type of basically issue will occur basically. So one person told that do you remember that Bangalore story basically? Yes, basically I remember that Bangalore story basically. One of the person basically on the name of cricket basically has given the Kurbani. Kurbani means he basically got AIDS, then basically his Nasbandi was sent, and then basically he charged as a murder case basically. Assume that basically that is myself basically. In really basically I had not done any murder. I have basically I don't have any Nasbandi and I don't have any AIDS disease also. So assume that basically this story basically we have already displayed in this video basically in previous videos basically, but then also basically we will see a little bit basically. One person basically got some marriage basic proposal. He basically don't know that girl basically was having AIDS. He basically done the marriage, but he basically just got the effect of AIDS basically. Fully basically he was not got the AIDS. But here the problem was his generation also basically was ended by one of that family basically. And then basically when he tried basically for another, and that time basically his divorce case was on. Then police basically, do you know what the police has done? The police basically converted that case into murder case. Basically. That case was charged as a murder basically. So that's person basically has done murder basically. Murder actually 100 crore basically in Corona died na basically. That was murder basically. कोरोना में जो 100 करोड़ मरे ना, that was murder. Literally that was murder basically. But who is basically to ask doctors? Who is basically to ask chief minister? Who is going to ask prime minister? Who is going to ask president basically? Who is going to ask basically? Because 100 crore people basically has died. Who is responsible for this? Basically? Police will say that basically we can't do anything. We are not doctor basically. Doctor will say that basically we don't have the medicine basically. For that basically we are not help. Government will say that basically we are dependent on doctor basically. Medicine industry, that is the construction industry basically. They say that basically this was new energy, so we were not able to track that. From satellite basically suddenly new energy basically entered into our planet, and nobody was able to track that basically. Means set of people basically came to earth planet from satellite, and their energy basically connected here, and that connected to corona disease, and 100 crore people basically died. So this was actually murder basically. Somebody told that basically this is actually murder. That murder basically with Sunil Nair basically is case filed basically, that is not murder basically. ये murder है मतलब. So one of the person told that just a minute. Just a minute. निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा मंगलमूर्ति मोरया मोरया मी बाळ तुझी सेवा करू गाय जाण अन्याय माथे. So one person told that the doctors group are telling that basically we don't have any medicine basically. Then how basically we can basically create the medicine? They are also correct basically. They are not God basically. If they will say the corona bhag ja, that type of thing basically, this is not a magical world basically. That if you will say basically corona bhag ja, that disease will not get out from the body basically. So for that basically you have to do the medicine basically. That happens in universe basically. If you are staying in universe, in satellite, that type of there basically that type of energy basically are there. But in Earth planet basically there is no energy like this basically. So one of the person told that this was actually murder basically. 100 crore basically people basically who died, that was actually the murder basically. So one person told that BJP, if you will ask BJP, then basically they will say that basically Congress basically was ruling here basically for 70 years, 80 years. Ask them basically, if you will ask Congress basically, they will say that basically we basically can't do anything basically. BJP was ruling. If you will do complaint to police department, then they basically will throw the paper to dustbin basically. If you will ask police department, then they will throw the paper to dustbin basically. Then basically one of the person told whom to ask here basically. The पूछे किसको, whom to ask basically. Then one of the satellite person told that can we finish the world basically, because unnecessary basically the world is creating problem to universe also. But in this basically lots of people say that India is actually creating the problem basically, because you are not getting job in India, that means India land is creating problem to you. India land, that means BJP and Congress are creating problem to you. And when we will ask BJP and Congress, then basically they will say companies are not giving job basically, that is not our problem. Companies are handled by Dubai basically, but entire Dubai is finished basically. It's underwater basically. If we will ask, somebody basically asked Dubai basically, but after asking basically the entire Dubai only got into water basically. And then basically now basically somebody asked Dubai, then basically they transfer this everything to India company basically. You ask Indian company basically. Now basically somebody is going to ask Indian company basically. Then basically we will see what happened to India land basically. What is going to happen to the India land basically. So here basically the topic is what? Here the topic is what? Just a minute. One person told that basically, do you know Sunil basically? From power company basically, from fan basically, you can anybody basically can damage your leg, head, and eye also. Why? Through the iron basically. Iron means Sardar Patel iron basically, Iron Man basically. But Sardar Patel basically, when we ask Sardar Patel, then basically he will say that basically they are using iron basically what I can do basically. They are basically using iron basically in this manner basically. Then what we can do basically, what I can do basically, because there are crores kilo iron basically. So Sardar Patel told that basically, can we finish the world only basically? Then sorry, entire India only basically, and recreate India basically. If you are telling that basically due to iron basically, your head, leg, and eye basically got damaged, then finish the whole India basically. Then create again India basically. He is going to say that only basically. One of the person told the Sardar Patel basically does not exist. सरदार पटेल तो है ही नहीं. But history basically never ends. History never ends, basically. That you remember always basically. Just a minute. History never ends. Basically. So they basically exist somewhere. But what would be their condition basically? That we can't say. Why? Because they are handled by that 1 lakh year age group. Officially, basically, the Sardar Patel is died. But that body is handled by 1 lakh year age people basically. And whatever Sardar Patel basically blood cells is generating the energy, entire Patel is going to get that energy only. And he is the Iron Man of India. So whatever iron basically you are using, that is coming from his body and his blood cells only. Basically. And his group also basically you can say. Because one person basically can't do anything. So one person told that how basically the world is here basically. Who actually created India basically? One person told that Congress created. So one person basically literally asked the question, if you want to finish India basically, whom should you have to contact? This is actually a question basically. We will give this answer basically in next video.